How's everybody doing? Okay, so I just want to show you how I do my LED upgrades on my locomotives. I know there's been some comments where people have said they're scared to do it, but you don't need to be. It's not that difficult. So there's 101 ways to do this, and I just want to show you the way that I do it now in 2020. First of all, I get my LEDs from Motown Models, and they already have lenses attached. I order them that way. Tom does an excellent job. It's quite a finicky job that I would rather not do, and I really like the lenses because they look prototypical even when they're off. So for 35 bucks he sends you 10 with lenses, and they're mounted with perfection, and so thank you, Tom, at Motown Models. Furthermore, the actual cylinder in behind the lens is just under 1/16 of an inch. So I use a 1/16 drill bit, okay, to drill the hole in the bezel or the ditch lights, because it allows the wire to be pulled through nice and smooth, and the outside diameter of the lens is larger than 1/16, so it sits perfectly inside the bezel. As you can see here, when I pull them through, you can see that they just fit nice and snug, right? They sit perfectly in place. And then I just take a little bit of canopy glue or Model Masters clear part cement, whatever, and then put a dab or two just in behind the top of the cab where they come through, or you can use tape for that matter. And then I do the same for the bottom ditch lights, and you can see here, if I can get the light on it for you, is I take a Dremel and I carve a little valley or a groove here for the wire to run over top of the cast chassis. Like, there needs to be space there for the wire. The wire is very small, but if you just grind out, even with a knife, a little bit of a valley there, and you can tape the wire down on there, so when the body shell sits down on the frame, it's nice and flush. Okay? Yeah, so that's how I do my ditch lights. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day.